Igama lami nguNkosinathi Low. Mara abantu abaningi bangazi ngo-Anushka. I-nickname yami yase-high school. Namhlanje ngizonixoxela ngokudutshula kwami. Unknowingly ukuthi loyo muntu loyo bekayi-Facebook friend yami.
Sanibonani molweni, welcome to TVC Gauteng. Igama uZamambo Mkhize, owaziwa ngoZamzukana Closet on the social streets. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. If you subscribe, kindly do so. It's absolutely free. You can support the channel by joining a membership here too. A membership, it's 20 rands per month. So 20 rands per month, Leo, is for watching ama videos way too exclusive, only to ama members. Before upatala leyo 20 rands ke mtasekhaya, you get a month's free trial la uzobona khona lawo ma videos lawo, so that you get the idea yokuthi mawuzobhatala imali yakho ubhatalelani. Ningakhohlwa ke ukuthi when you watch those videos akunama interruptions wama ads, so you know ukuthi from start to finish ubukela nje ama video without having to skip. Namhlanje ke sizomamela story se guest yethu sizokabanza ukuthi uzosixoxela ngani.
Hello, Sizama.
All right.
Ngiyaphila wena njani?
Nami right.
Ngiyaphila. Yo, like it's such a great pleasure like to meet you.
Yo,
Angijabulanga. Maybe namhlanje like inhliziyo yami izokwazi ukuheala in some other ways. Yeah.
So ke ungasixoxela ukuthi what happened on that day.
Yo, same day yakhona. Like ngisebuka Friday.
Okay.
I went to school cause bengifunda at the Beauty Hub Academy, which is situated at the Clan. Like it's over by the Clan, shopping mall. Bese ngapha esayidini ngase BMW.
Okay. I-dealership yange.
Yeah, and then bese ngapha phakathi uyangena.
Okay.
Yeah. So I went to school like normally. Ngithoka esikoleni. And then bese ngabuya late. You know, sometimes like ma umuntu ongathanda ukudlala endlini. Yabona? Yo, angithanda like asukuthi maybe angifuni ukulala endlini, but then I-pressure ukuthi uyazi like yo ngizongomile yabona. Plus like it's a Friday.
Yeah.
I came back to school. Mangibuya ngabuya nomngani wami. I don't want to mention names. Yeah. Okay. Like so ngabuya nomngani wami sahlala like sathenga amakota sathenga amakota ngathini. Yeah, and then bese yena after vele ke ngashintsha ngicela ukushintsha athi mayazini masami yabona like ngitho say somewhere yabona like ngitho ngishintshe nami, and then bese ke na sambe sabona ukuthi senzani for the day. Ngayisambe vele ke na siphume ngegate elincane lapha yithi sihambe so hawu mahlangana lapha na vele ke na ngihlangana ngizokunomangani nabasekasi vele esiluma yabona.
Okay.
Mhlangana vele ngizosikhipha sharp yabo. Ngiyaphuza vele yabona. Hayi ngibe nama-doubts ukuthi ish yazini ithi ngiphuze yabona. And manje like kube nale inner peace ukuthi ish yazini ithi ngingaphuzi, but then ngathi hayi yabona ithi ngiphuze.
Okay.
And then bese ke sathenga ama-drinks sahlala as normal like ngithoka normally vele sahlala saphuza inini. And then bese ke na ngashaya boma angisakhumbula around what time, but then bese kushaya u6-7 lapho.
Okay.
Kufika omunye umngani wami ohlala eKwanele.
Ikwanele ikuphi?
EKwanele East eKatlehong.
Okay.
Uyafika uhamba ngeQuantum. Bagcwele vele phakathi. Ngiyababuza ngithini yaphi? Bathi hayi no ngisiya eKwanele eKatlehong. Khona izinto like esiyozenza lapha, and then bese later we're going to Grand Cafe. Grand Cafe, it's a place where u like chilwa khona vele kuphuza utshwala. Into kanjalo lapho. Mina ke ngithi yazini isingforced yabona ngoba angikhelanga ukulala vele something. Cause vele ngitho during the week vele ngitho ngibuya late, and yabona angisitholi isikhathi esokuthi like ngitho ngikhuluma namangani bami senzeni yabona. Ngigibele emotweni. Mangigibele emotweni siye ekhaya lentombazana leyo. Ayivele sihlala kanti vele kuyaphuza vele lapho futhi still. Makuphuza vele still ngithi hayi mina yazini sengiyolala manje yabona. Ekwanele, besekwanele. Azange ngisayi mina eGreen Cafe. Ngoba ngani, I already told myself ukuthi yazini sengiphuze, it's enough now. Manje like mangiphuze like ngithi mangitsho like ngithi ngiphuze vele enough vele. Ngabuya vele. And mangibuya ngiyawalk. Like ngithi angisengilo muntu lo othanda ukugibela ama-taxi. Ngoba ngibona ngathi I'm wasting money.
All right. So the makwakhe kuseduze.
And manje kuseduzane. So khona le passage le lapha ekwanele le passage lelo uwela esiluma. Yabona? Like ngithi even so like ngithi kuyakudala bathi White House.
Okay.
But then manje ngithi seyivaliwe. So mangithi ngiyangena ngithi kule passage lelo. Yo ngahlangana like nomunye umfana. Lo mfana lo ngithi kwasekwanele. Ngiyambuza ngithi mina ufunani? Yabona? Hayi umfana akakhulumi. Yo.
So uhlangana naye passage.
Ngihlangana naye passage.
Uza kuwe njoba umbuza ukuthi ufunani ubone nini njoba uzombuza ukuthi ufunani?
No ngithi uza ugayi ngathi bekandlula. But then manje like ngithi ukuthi ubone mina ngathi wama. Ngambuza ngathi mina uye ufunani? Yabona? Mangimbuza ukuthi like ngithi mangimbuza ukuthi ufunani akakhulumi next. Uyangibheka nje kuphela. So manje yabona ngithi kufanele ukuthi hayi man ngiyamazi like ngithi ngiyamazi lo muntu lona. And ukumazi kwami asumuntu maybe engimjwayele. Yabona? Ngithi ayiwana ngisasakafuna ini. Hayi ngimbone kube ngathi khona into ayikhiphayo like la move. Kanti yo manje ngithi kanti ukhipha isibhamu. Yo Jehova yazi semde yakhona like bengitatazela ne but then azange ngibelieve ukuthi yo lo muntu lo uzongidubula. Ngimbuza futhi kwesi2 ufuna ini? Ugayi akaphenduli. Like he keeps on like ngithi useta isibhamu. Like esinye isibhamu yakhe simnyama esingaka esincane. Yabo yes like uyasikhipha vele. Makasikhipha yo like nje azange ngize ngiscreame, azange ngize ngenzeni. Like nje like my heart was gagambing. Like ngithi gagambing like ngizokusho ukuthi like my heart was
beating fast. Yeah, okay.
Yo and I was flabbergasted. Yo I was shocked in other words. Ngithi yo Nkosi yami vele namhlanje impilo yami yaphela. Yo ufuna ini nawe okaya kakhulumi. Hawu. Hayi like ngithoka khona like lo mfana lo ebengihamba naye bathi ubani uSibusiso ohlala ePalmridge. So uSibusiso yena angazi ukuthi kuyenzakala ugayi washaya uSibusiso like lo mfana lo bengihamba naye like wamshaya ngesibhamu enhloko. Makamshaya ngesibhamu ugayi ngathi wawela phansi. Makawela phansi cause vele sithi vele bestakiwe. Kungukuthi vele like sisuke lapha ekwanele eKatlehong. Ngithi vele yazi Sibusiso ngoba like ngithoka kusebusuku and ohlele ePalmridge uzohamba kusasekuseni. Yabona? Masihambisela ngihlala khona. Ukuze vele
Kuzoyenzakala into.
like kuzoyenzakala isigameko.
Yeah.
Hayi baba qeda ukumshaya ngesibhamu la inhloko vele kena ugayi afenti awele phansi. Mina lo gayi lona ngathi akhiphe like ngithi maqeda ukushaya uSibusiso ngesibhamu. Askisi asede maqeda ukuseta angidubule kokucala on my left on my like enyaweni lami la left like ngathini ethangeni.
Yeah.
Makangidubula angizwanga next as maqeda futhi angidubule futhi kwesi2 enyaweni lami la left like la ngasedolweni.
Yeah.
Hayi man ngithi hey man like lo muntu lo vele kahle ungidubulile.
Futhi
Hayi like nje azange ngize ngiye phansi azange ngize ngiscreame futhi ngavele ngathi yazini yo kanti lento le like ngithi leyenza kabele kimi. Yabona? Yo angazi ukuthi yo same day ngathi kuye okay fine kena ithi maybe ngikhumule kena yabona ikuphi like lento oyifunayo because apparently bengaphethanga rosary like bengaphethanga ini like bengiphethe ifone. And then thereafter like ngithi makasubusela isibhamu mina ngithi ngaba ne-adrenaline yokuthi awuthi ngeke ngizilwele. I wanted to fight for myself same day. Ngithi yazi yabona like la ukuthi ngiyafa or angifi angisinandaba. Ngaba ne-adrenaline mangithi ngithatha isibhamu ugaye kanti uzoba namandla. Makaba namandla wangidubula futhi kwesi-3 on my right leg, on my right thigh la emathangeni wami. Same day yakhona yo kuthi wena mangiceda ungidubula vela ngawa. Akhanya like mangiwa like ngithi ngihlala phansi. Mangihlala phansi yo like nje angibelieve ukuthi kwenzakaleni and I was not bleeding. Bengableed.
Okay.
Maqeda ungidubula ugayi uthatha isibhamu usibusela like ngithi kuye ebokotweni.
Okay.
Maqedile uyahamba.
So akathathanga next.
Azange athathe next. Cause mina into engiyenzele like ngithi ngisengathi kuye ngiphethe ifone. Ufunani? So yena yena kahle like ngibekangafuni ifone or into nje like bengiyiphethe nje ngibekanga ifone. Bekafuna nje ukungidubula nje kuphela.
So makazo yenza kanjalo azokudubula okay uyamrecognize yena. So do you think at that point ukuthi okay njoba ngimbona ngimfanisa ukuthi man umuntu engimaziyo from Facebook yena uyakwazi nami ucabanga ukuthi bekakwazi ngaleso sikhathi?
I think uyangazi cause if bekangazi bekazongibulala. Or maybe bekazongidubula on my vital parts. Sengisho ukuthi ngizokulana emzimbeni.
Yeah, labo ngazathi ungashona mangakudubula.
Cause manje if like ngithi bekangazi bekazongidubula angibulali enzele ukuthi ngingamtholi angatholakali kahle. So manje ngoba ngiyamazi kusho ukuthi uyenze vele ukuthi angilayi ngingasokwazi ukuhamba. Kanti uNkulunkulu uzongisave ngarecover.
Okay, so after lapho what happened? So wile phansi uhleli usibusisa usalele shem usase unconscious.
Mangiloko ngihleli lapho angithi manje like ngithoka angibelieve ukuthi kwenzakala like lento lena like kimi. Like ngisese shocked like I'm flabbergasted ukuthi oh Nkosi yami vele ngitutuliwe vele and vele angisana phone. Yabona ngithathe bengigcoke icardigan.
Okay.
Ngigcoke ne skin jean blue.
Okay.
Askisi. Ngigcoke nama Crocs amhlophe.
Okay.
So manje like ngitho khona enye intombazana ebeyindlula. Like bekandlule angisazi bekabuya phi. Ngiyamemeza. Hello sisi unjani? Sharp. Yabona like ngithi ngiloko like ngithi ngishocked. And ngapha angazi ukuthi ngenze njani. Hello unjani? Sharp. Sisi afike athi kimi like ngithi ngathi kuye uyamazi uzibani uhlala ngapha ngase passage athi uyamazi. Ngithi mina bengicela ukuthi I'm describe yabona ukuthi usho lo wakhabo bazo usho lo wakhabo zibani ngithi ngisho yena yabona wathi kimi okay azikimi kwenze njani ngithi ngicela ukududulwa like umuntu umfana ohlala ngapha ngasekwanele. Athi kimi okay fine wena nje hlala lapho ithi mina ngigijime ngiyombiza. Mangithi ngibheka usibusiso naye uhlele against like ngithi lapho ephasisini ebondeni yabona. Hayi umngani wami loyo like ngithi she's a very close friend of mine.
Okay.
I won't mention her name.
Yeah.
And then bese she came ahamba nabusisi bakhe. Bayangimanga like ngithi bamangela Anushka yini ngithi ngicela ungangibuzi. Askis bangidubulile. Bakudubule ngathi kwenze njani ngithi yazini ngicela ungasangibuzi like into eyiningi ngicela ufonele ambulance. I-ambulance mayingilanda. Umngani nami afonele ugokwami. Bakafela ugokwami athi gogo uAnushka ududuliwe. uAnushka like uAnushka ududuliwe bathi bathi okay but then inkinga ukuthi manje asina transport because like laba ngikhela khona like it was ngathini akas like ngitho kuyabona ma egroundini bese ke nala ngitho kumele undlule uzwe ufike la kulele lapha ngakamlapisi eSontonga eSontonga mona
Okay.
so manje like it's a far distance for ukuthi ugogo la ngitho for ukuthi ugogo angawalk and manje umkhulu wami la kubeka ngekho ngemonto okay bamfonele bafonele ambulance abafonele ambulance yathi ama paramedics wafika bathi angeke bakhona ukungena lapha la capacity ngoba bayasaba nabo inkunzi okay umngani wami atshela ibhuti wakhe athi hayi semasimkukele ngithi angikwazi ukuhamba yabona if only like ngithi like ningangiguga kuzoba ngcono bangiguge ngene ku ambulance usibusiso angene nami ku ambulance phakathi cause ngathi bese kahlaphukile vele bangena ku ambulance siya eRamkunupi clinic eRamkunupi clinic ilapha eKatlehong like Katlehong I meant masifika lapha eRamkunupi bathi kimi yazi ne like lo muntu lona critical so ngicela like ngithi ngimuse eThelamkhogane eThelamkhogane hospital in Vosloorus eGauteng manje like ngithi endleleni like bengakhoni kupeyina and manje like ngithi kumakupeyina angithi iambulance ihamba kuphela and manje ihamba kubahambi ihashile like ihamba kumahambi kudlu and manje like khani manje ngizwa amapain cause manje inkinga ukuthi kupeyini ngenziwe yini ukuthi ngifasela ngecardigan yeah on both my legs yabona cause ilona like cause la bekupeyina khona kakhulu like bokuyinyawo lami la left ayivele ke nasifika esibhedlela bangifake ku casualty bangifika ku casualty into beyipeyina khani manje kupeyina okudlula like ngithi like the time of the incident and manje like ngiyakhala so manje into engihlekisayo and manje like sengihleka after ne like do like bekupeyina ngakhona angithi yabona like it's like ku casualty khona like lento lezi ezivalayo like mawuchama like, or maybe like mawenza like something like private in like they close you with like lama cases like lawa anamavili yabona so manje like ngithe like bengilo ngiphethe umchamo bangilo ngiphethe umchamo yabona like ngithe abonesi abanginaki and again unganginaki ngoku ene njengoba like njengoba banganginaki ngathatha lento le ngayilahlela le phansi wonke umuntu wangibheka bathi yini ngithi mina kuthi ngicela ukuthi ngicela ukuchama ngipheresekile leso sikhathi leso like ngiyabhekile at the same time lo omunye security asiyabona wena sokufaka imvubo ngoba umameli semthi yakhona
and now awukhona ukuhamba
angikhona ukuhamba and ngihlele ku stretcher I can't like ngithiwa ngiyahleka manje ngoba like sekuyinto endlulile yabona but then like ngithiwa ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kwenzakalini
No, thank you so much for coming through before Sivala. Ungasho ke ukuthi utholakala kuphi and then
ngitholakala on Facebook. My Facebook handle is Unathi Candy and I'm also on Instagram. On Instagram it's Anushka Candy. Yeah, and on TikTok it's Anushka Candy. If maybe I was is spelling Anushka, it's ANUSHKA.
All right, emakhaya ke I hope nizwile story saka Anushka nifundile from sona. Please nalaba abayang if bakhona emakhaya because I know normally ama viewers amaningi wethu abantu abadala ngicela if you have children, if you have grandchildren nibabize bahlale babukele but they obviously have to be over the ages of 18 bamamele izinto ezenzakalayo ebantwini because kunezimo ezivelela abantu but abanye bayakhona ukufunda ngazo. So I hope emakhaya nifundile ke and please spread the word ye-TVC Gauteng ukuthi sikhona uyasearcha nje lapho on YouTube You can subscribe, as I've mentioned earlier on. It's absolutely free. If you'd like to support the channel, you can join by becoming a member. Uzopatali 20 rands a month. But before patali lo 20 rands in Kumbuze Futi, you get to watch for a month ama videos wama membership exclusive, and akubi nama interruptions ke lapho. Bufuntinteli.
Oh no, like it's like I just wanna tell like my viewers.
Yeah.
So I just wanna tell you guys, ne, like it's like I'm an entrepreneur.
Okay.
Yeah, like it's like I'm a ngina.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a portraiters, Cowie Hills, Porkhead, and Cowie Head. It's only for students. So like it's like if you are around Katlehong, like it's like we are phone or maybe we are DM on my Facebook for good big deliver. I do deliver sometimes.
So zihlaza rezuthiwe.
No, like this I cook them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like it's like for people, aba petwe ama hangover.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like I cater now for them. So yeah, when yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
like
like number yakho ke but number yakhe sizoyibhala even on the screen ne for abantu abange bazokhona ukuyibamba mhlawumbe njengoba
Okay.
ngisho. Ungabasha.
My numbers it's 079 432 5337, or either you can get me on my other number 081 542 9641. Like they anama WhatsApp way too.
Okay.
Yes.
So operator from Nini till Nini.
I operate from ekuseni until 8 ebusuku.
Okay, kuseni ngobani isikhathi?
Ekuseni ngo-6 cause angisho abanye sometimes angisho like ngithoka normally etshwaleni kuvalwa like kuvalwa midnight.
Yeah.
Abuma 4-5 lapho yabo.
Abanye
So manje abanye abahlala closer like to where I am. Like they usually come at 6.
Okay.
So yeah, from 6 until 8 p.m. If maybe let's say ufuna ukupheka nepapa, uziphekela wena ipapa.
Okay.
Yeah, angipheki ipapa.
Okay.
I only cater for amanqina like nenyama yenhloko.
Okay.
Cause angithi like mangizopheka nje ipapa sometimes omunye afuna ukusnack.
Yeah.
Sometimes omunye ufuna just nje yabona ukuthi ulihalele nje like ufuna nje ukuhlaphula like for that moment. Yeah.
All right. And then i-address ke ungabanikeza?
The address is a 711 Sontonga Road, Katlehong. I'm here in Gauteng.
All right.
Yes.
No, siyabonga kakhulu ke Makhaya for watching. Until the next story esindethela sona, siyabonga for tuning in.